Okay, let's see if you guys can do this one here. Let's say in your class there are 28 people. Okay, and anyone inside this circle here, anyone inside here represents those people having a skateboard, and anyone in this circle here would represent having a bicycle, and anyone inside here would have a phone. Okay, so if I were to pick out one person at random from someone in your class, what is the probability of that person having a skateboard and a phone? Okay, so picking one person out, and that person having a skateboard and a phone. Okay, and second question here, I'm going to pick out someone at random. What is the probability of that person having a phone and a bicycle? Third question here, I'm going to pick out someone. What is the probability of that someone having exactly two items? So if you pick someone from here, well, anyone from here would have three items. So the middle one doesn't count. And the people out here, the five people out here, well, they don't have a bicycle or a skateboard or a phone, so they're no good. Okay, well, anyway, this question here, what is the probability of me picking out someone having only one item? And the last one is having a bicycle but not a phone. Okay, so think about it. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so to answer the first one, probability of someone having a skateboard and a phone. Well, a skateboard and a phone would be these two segments here. Because, well, if you pick someone from here, this person will have a skateboard, but would not have a phone. And well, anyway, having a skateboard and a phone would be the 6 and the 2 here. So it would be the intersection of the two. Okay, remember, and means, well, these people here, when you're talking about and it's the intersection of the two. Okay, if you're talking about or, having A or B is the union of the two. So it's a whole lot here. This is and. Well, anyone from here would have both A and B. Okay. Well, anyway, to answer the first question, having a skateboard and a phone would be these two here. Okay. So it would be 8 over the whole population, which is 28. Okay. All right. Second question here. Phone and a bicycle. Okay. Phone and a bicycle. Well, bicycle would be all these here. Phone would be all these here. So it's going to be these. It's going to be the intersection of the two. Okay. And so it would be, again, it would be this and this. So it would be 10 over 28. Okay, and if we change this to an or, what is the probability of a phone or a bicycle? Well, a phone or a bicycle would be all these here. You've got to add up everything here, because anyone from here would have a bicycle or a phone. So a bicycle. Well, anyway, if this were an or, then it would be the whole thing here. Okay. Third question here, having exactly two items. Well, the people from here would only have a bicycle, only one item. This one here would have no item. This one here would have all three items. Well, exactly two items would be this one here, the 5, this one here, and this one here. Because if you think about it, anyone from here would have two items. Anyone from here would have two items, a skateboard and a bicycle. Anyone from here would have a phone and a skateboard, but not a bicycle. So to answer the question, it would be these three here. So that would be exactly two items would be 5 plus 4 would be 9, plus 2 would be 11. Okay, 11 out of 28. Okay, having only one item. Well, only one item. Well, that could only mean these three here, because well, these only one item, so it has to be. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So it would be 6 over 28. Okay, and having a bicycle but not a phone. So anyone in here would have a bicycle. So anyone in here would have a bicycle here, but not a phone. We don't want a phone, so we have to get rid of this here. Okay, so it's basically it's basically all these here inside here. Okay, having a bicycle. So it would be bicycle here, bicycle here. But these, if you come from here, then you also have a phone. If you come from here, you would also have a phone. So the answer to the last one would be 6 out of 28. Okay.